Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix blurry screen on Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue. For that, right click on the desktop, right click on it and go to display settings and scroll down guys. Here is scale and layout. You just need to select the scale to recommended guys. Just need to select the recommended size in here. You just need to select it, and after that display resolution recommended, you just need to select the recommended one in top of it or anything in your computer listed like that. Just need to select the display resolution recommended, and after doing that close out of here and restart your PC guys. Hopefully that can able to resolve a problem, but if not get resolved, let's move on to the second solution. For that, go to search menu and type adjust adjust clear type text. Open it. In here you need to select turn on the clear type, select check mark over here and click next, click next, click next, click next, next and next. After finishing this, you have finished turning the text on your this monitor. You just need to click on finish, and hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. But if you not get resolved, let's move on to the third solution. Go to search menu and type adjust adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it, and in here you need to select the adjust the best appearance. Select it guys. You just need to select the option in here, adjust the best appearance, and after that apply and OK. After changing that, that will work for more people's guys. This will more people's working it, and if not working for you, let's move on to the last solution of my video. Go to search menu and type device manager. Open it, and in device manager you need to go expand the display adapter section, and whatever display adapter you just listed over here, you just need to right click on it and click update driver and click search automatically for drivers, and you just need to get the message the best drivers for your device are already installed. And you can also search for Windows updated drivers on Windows Update. Click here, and whatever update listed over here, you just need to update it all guys in Windows Update. That can hopefully resolve a problem. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.